Abundance is what we all want, right? Not necessarily. People misunderstand abundance. Because of that, they never have it. But they're always searching for it. Where is it? How do I get my hands on it? How do I be abundant? I'm Bill Heinrich with True Life Purpose Now. Welcome. I want to talk to you a little bit about abundance because it's so misunderstood. People in general believe that abundance has to do with money. Wrong. Abundance is a way of being. It's not a mindset, it's a heart set. Having an abundant attitude means there's plenty of everything. There's more than enough to go around, and that's the way I'm going to live my life abundantly. I never had abundance before. One area that I really enjoy abundance now that I never had it before was time. I had no time abundance. I was always trying to get 10 pounds in a 5-pound bag, get as much done, hoping that I'm going to up my level of survival. Then, as I studied transformation, and I've been doing this for 23 plus years now, I really learned what abundance was. But another thing that I learned about was gratitude, trust, intuition, all of which are necessary in order to be abundant. You see, we each came to Earth with 7 divine gifts. We have a life purpose. Everything we're supposed to be doing on Earth is about how we do it, the energy we do it with, not what we do, not what we accomplish. Gosh. Not what we do, not what we accomplish, not what we have, not what we look like, but it's who we are and how we are as we're generating abundance. I generate abundance in every area of my life, but I'm going to tell you something very important. Pay attention. It has nothing to do with money. It has nothing to do with money. Abundance is a way of living. I live abundantly. I live intuitively. I live through my heart rather than my head. My head creates fear. My heart creates love, and abundance is packed with love. So if you're searching for abundance, I suggest that you download the free report I have below. 3 steps to banish overwhelm, stress, and anxiety from your life and finally reach your true potential. There are saboteurs that we have inside of us, beliefs that we have, and ways that we look at things that block us off from everything. If you want to be abundant, I would suggest you download the report because that's the key. Understanding what's going on inside of you. You can be a multi-millionaire, billionaire, and not be abundant. In fact, I watched the movie Getty. I don't know if you saw that. It was very sad. He was more interested in his money than he was his kidnapped grandson. That's not abundant, and he was a billionaire. But you see, that's how we think in survival. That's how we think in life. How do I get more? How do I grab more? Stop grabbing it. Stop trying to get it. Live with love. Express that energy and watch what happens. That's abundant. That's very, very abundant. I'm Bill Heinrich with True Life Purpose Now. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you make a comment, and I would especially love it if you made a comment and asked me a question about your own personal transformation, which I will answer. I'll post a video on it, and I will get back to you. So please subscribe and leave a comment. I'm keeping these videos short so you can get the most out of them as quickly as you possibly can. Again, I'm Bill Heinrich with True Life Purpose Now. Thank you.